Happening today in Southwest Austin. In just a few minutes, Austin Water will start fixing a water main leak in the area, and services for people who live in the area could be offline for up to 12 hours.
As many as 50,000 customers could see service disruptions throughout the day.
Any situation that might disrupt service to our customers for more than a couple of hours triggers our incident response plan, which we're enacting now due to the critical repair of a leaking 48-inch diameter water line in Southwest Austin.
We isolated the 48-inch main this morning. Our contractors are working to repair it. Those zones will be fed from the pump stations, and they are on a limited supply. We have distribution sites set up at Bowie High School to distribute bottled water to the community.
So my team is actually involved in the actual isolation, so we are the ones that are turning the water off for the repairs to be made. We'll also be in charge of bringing the line back in service as well as flushing the system. And then we're also helping out here at the water distribution site with traffic control, distributing the water.
Yeah, and there's been a lot of people now that the sun's come out a lot midday, and it's been good.
And bulk distributing is being set up at Baylor Sky and White and Seeing Southwest hospitals.
Our primary focus has been on ensuring the needs of the medically vulnerable population, guaranteeing that they have access to water.
We got here at 6. Operation started at 7 a.m. We'll be going until 7 p.m. today, unless there's cause for an extension, which we hope there isn't.
Like anything, field conditions can change at any given moment with any type of construction.
Our job is to provide information and keep people informed. We let them know what's happening and what to expect and tell them ways that they can help us. We try to keep them updated throughout the process and let them know when the work has wrapped up.
Good news, Austin Water has given the all clear, saying the fix has been made and customers can return to using water as normal. They struggled to connect a new pipe with existing pipe, which had warped, so the repair took longer than expected.
And we will take tests to ensure that the water is safe for consumption. We all have just one singular goal in mind: to fulfill our duty to our community.